To sew the pillowcase, you will need two types of fabric, one for the main body of the pillowcase and for the border cuff. You'll need a ruler, a marking pen, a rotary cutter, and straight pins. Okay, let's get started. First, unfold your main fabric and lay it out flat with the fold at the bottom and the selvages meeting together at the top. Just like that. Grab your ruler and from the side, mark 25.5 inches at the top and bottom, and then line up your ruler with the marks and cut. Flip the fabric around, measure at the top and bottom with your ruler 20 inches, mark with the pin, then line up the ruler and cut. This is the main portion of the pillowcase. Now lay out the border fabric the same way. Fold at the bottom, selvages at the top. Use your ruler, measure over 9.5 inches, mark with the pin, top and bottom, line up your ruler with the marks and cut. And we're going to do the same thing, measuring from the fold 20 inches top and bottom, line up the ruler and cut. Lay the border fabric out flat, right side up, then grab the main fabric, lay it out flat, right side up, lining up the top raw edges. Next, roll the main fabric up so it is out of the way, then grab the bottom of the border fabric, flip it up, line up the top raw edges, and pin in place. You'll see that this makes a little fabric burrito. Take your fabric burrito to the sewing machine and sew a seam right along the edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Flip your fabric burrito right side out. Take your pillowcase to the ironing board and press the border with the iron. Fold your pillowcase right sides together, and you're going to sew a seam along both edges with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And that's it, you're done. Flip your pillowcase around, and there you go. A pretty little pillowcase.